Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you exactly how to drop a pin with Android to help you mark and share any location with ease. Whether you are trying to remember a parking spot or meeting a friend in a park, this tool is incredibly useful. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open Google Maps and find the area on the map where you want to drop a pin. This step is important because you need to visually locate the exact spot you are interested in before you can mark it for navigation or sharing. Step 2 involves you needing to long press the specific location on the map until a red pin appears at that spot. This simple touch and hold action tells the app exactly where you want to place your marker, making that coordinate interactive for the next steps. Step 3 is to select directions from the menu at the bottom to navigate directly to that specific position. This feature is a lifesaver when you are trying to find your way to a location that does not have a formal street address or a business name. Step 4 is to select Save to add the location to a personalized list for future use. This is perfect for building a collection of places you want to visit or keeping track of important spots without having to search for them all over again. Step 5 is to select Share to send the location via email, text, or your favorite social media platforms. Sharing your pin is the fastest way to let friends or family know exactly where you are or where you want to meet up without any confusion. Step 6 is to select Label to give the location a custom name like My Secret Picnic Spot or Main Entrance. Adding a label makes it much easier to identify your saved pins at a glance when you're looking at your map later on. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.